of 0.2 to 1/2 of an inch. Where? In Pennsylvania, Lackawanna, Luzerne, Pike, and Southern Wayne counties. In New York, Sullivan County. When? Until 10 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts, power outages, and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning commute. Additional details, ice accumulation in the valley locations will range from 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, but locations above 1,500 feet elevation are expected to see as much as 1/2 of an inch. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The following is a winter weather message. For the following counties, in New York, Broome, Shenango, Delaware, Otsego, and Tioga, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Northern Wayne, Susquehanna, and Wyoming. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 4 p.m. Tuesday.
Okay. I see you, Binghamton.